can hear the sound of the dhaks. So nearly less than 30 days for Mahalaya and less than 60 days for Durga Puja 2020. Durga Puja is near and the excitement of all the Bengalis are quite much, because Durga Puja for Bengalis is quite special and it is a one-time moment in every year. Durga Ma comes every year once and stay for nearly 4 to 5 days and again goes back. So it's a one-time moment in every year and every Bengali waits for this moment, because Durga Puja happens around October month or around end of September every year. This year the Mahalaya is on 17th of September, that is the Vishwakarma Puja is also on the same day. But this year the 1 month from the Mahalaya the Durga Puja is going to take place. Every year around 10 to 15 days later after Mahalaya the Durga Puja starts, Panchami, Shoshti, Saptami and more on. But this year we have to wait more than 1 month. So quite excited, and let's see how this year goes, because this year I don't think there would be huge pandals everywhere in Kolkata. There will be small pandals. Before I start this video, I am wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today is 22nd of August and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Here in Kolkata there is not much scene of Ganesh Chaturthi because they are relatively small pandals compared to the Bombay. In Mumbai there are huge pandals, huge number of Ganesh Chaturthi like Durga Puja in Kolkata. So here in Kolkata there are few pandals, but this year also the number of pandals count is quite less compared to other years because of this pandemic. So same as the situation of Durga Puja will be in this year. In Bombay also the Ganesh idols are being made small this year. Eco-friendly Ganesh idols are made everywhere. So this is the scene. All are affected due to this coronavirus. So we have to stay with this only and enjoy every bit in every different way. Now what I am talking about is around this time, the late August and from the starting of August, the 80 to 70% work of the Durga idols are being finished by the workers of Kumottuli. But this year there is a huge lack of workers because there is scarcity of workers who work in the Kumottuli because of this pandemic, because many of the workers have gone back to their home. So this is a big problem this year. So today I have decided to. So now what I decided is to visit Kumottuli. Every year I do give a visit to Kumottuli for the past 4 to 5 years. I have been regular to Kumottuli every year. So this time also I just decided to go to Kumottuli, and I am going with my whistler. It's around 14 km from my home, and let's see what is the situation in Kumottuli, because this year, as I told you, the workers are quite less compared to other years because many of them have gone back to their hometown. So I don't think this year will be crowded like every year, but let's see, who knows. The weather in Kolkata for the past 3 to 4 days was totally bad. It was raining cats and dogs for the past 3 to 4 days, non-stop rain. And today I got a chance to get outside from my home. Last 2 days was complete lockdown in West Bengal. So I'm riding my cycle after 2 days. So Kumottuli is not only famous for making Durga idols, it is famous for making all the idols of any god or goddesses. So the preparation of idols goes throughout in Kumottuli throughout every month. In every festive season, the goddesses or the gods are being made from Kumottuli. The idols are being made from Kumottuli itself. the Shyambajar Mall again. You can see the crowd over there in Shyambajar Mall. Just 2 days lockdown. There was 2 days lockdown before yesterday and day after yesterday. Day before yesterday. And see how much public are out today. So it's around 5. It took me around 1 hour to reach here due to the traffic. And I have parked my cycle back there. Now I am going to enter the Kumartili area. Now let's see what's the scene over here. From the first floor itself, they have tied a rope, and here is all the scene over here. The idols are quite small this year. Here are all the shops. The sky looks perfect now. It was drizzling a bit. It was drizzling a little bit while coming, but now it's totally perfect. You can see the preparation are going on. But this year comparatively the idols are quite small compared to, you can see the idols here at the starting of the idols are quite small. Today's Ganesh Chaturthi. Here the Ganesh Chaturthi is the soul. And here all the structures, kathamo of the Durga idols. The designings are being collected from here. You can see these are all for the designs. And you can see the idols are quite small over here. The idols are comparatively small over here. আরে এবার কি সব এরকম সাইজেরই হচ্ছে সব জায়গায় সবগুলো মানে বড় তো হচ্ছেই না না The maximum you saw 90% of the Durga idols are small, very small. And now I am heading towards this gully over here. Here Durga idols might be large. Let's see, because this gully maximum of the shops construct big Durga idols, but this year maximum of the shops are making small Durga idols, very small. The Vishwakarma idols. As I told you before, here not only Durga Puja, Ganesh idols, Vishwakarma Puja, Lakshmi Puja, all the idols are being made over here. This is a famous place of idols because the workers over here, the artists, we can call them artists because they made the idols with so much perfection that you have to give 100% credit to them, because it takes a lot of hard work to make and decorate such perfect idols. This shop, the Durga idols are big, around 7 to 8 feet, but maximum of the shops are, the Durga idols are of 5 to 6 feet, max to max. This year the pandals will be small, the Durga idols will also be small, because small pandals, small Durga idols, because in small pandals you can accommodate the huge Durga idols, which is Bahons. So this is all the scene over here, and maximum of the Durga idols are of Akshara this year, not separately. All idols. See the size of the idols. Just so cute Durga idols over here. Huge Durga idols over here. Every year they make huge idols. So the uncle you saw there, he was just designing the face of the goddess, and it takes a lot of concentration and art to make those in beautiful shape. So here the work is going 90 to 90% on full force. And there are many workers over here, many artists over here doing the work. As I assume that the workers are less, but no, there are many workers now here, and comparatively less than to the previous year, but still the work is going on full flow over here. You can see at the back there are workers are in full flow, and all are just putting the effort. The smell of the paint, the smell of the soil, smell of the mitti is just refreshing the mood and just reminded me of the Durga Puja. But still 60 days we have to wait for Durga Puja. But it's still good that the many idols are in process. Varieties of designing will not be that much. So there is a positive sign in this that the Durga idols are in the making process. So this was all from the Kumatali area. Now I'll be leaving this place and I'll come again after the finishing is done of the Durga idols. So hope this video is quite informative too and hope you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And now let's go back to my home. Now I have entered Salt Lake area. While literally I am not taking the Joshua Road or the Keshtu because it was too much congestion over there. So I decided to take the Salt Lake area while returning, and here it is comparatively less traffic than Joshua and Krishnapur area. Today the weather is totally cloudy and that's why the humidity is too much and it's quite a tough journey because of the pollution has increased and traffic is too much. All that was being dissolved, the pollution and all the traffic has again turned normal. So took besan laddu and modak from Gupta Brothers in Salt Lake. Now I'll be there in DF, in Salt Lake DF. There is a pandal. Now behind me there is a pandal. I'll take you over there. So that was the pandal over here. This is also a famous puja of Salt Lake area. Every year this puja takes place in the same zone only. It's around 7, absolutely 7. And while coming back from Salt Lake, it drizzled totally. Around 8 kilometers I faced rain. Totally, still it is raining outside. Here you can see. And what a ride it was. Totally wet with sweat, first of all. Second, the rain added on to it. And so this was all for this video. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi once again. And if you like this video, do give the video a like and hit the like button, and please do subscribe to the channel and wait for more new videos. If you haven't yet the old videos yet, go give a watch. So thank you for watching this video. Stay safe.